When it comes to having our dishes stay sparkling clean, this is the detergent that I really love. It's the Cascade Platinum Plus, and then I just put it in a little jar. So I buy the refill kits, and then this is what they look like. Super, super simple. Once you have your dishwasher ready to load, for us, we just put it right in there, close the door, and that is it. And even with these, because they're so strong, you don't even need to really pre-rinse your dishes. You can just pop them straight into the dishwasher. I love how it says, if you were to hand wash 24 gallons of water or just load your dishwasher every day, you're gonna save water, 4 gallons. So I really believe in that too. I try to run our dishwasher every single day, and these make a huge difference with just keeping our dishes so clean. We absolutely love using it, and I kind of think it looks really pretty in the jar as well. We keep that under the sink.